Hey, today in this video I'm going to show you how to do some simple steps to add some timestamps and chapters to your YouTube videos. There are benefits to adding chapters to your videos, and I will talk about them at the end of this video. And I'll show you how to add chapters through the YouTube app, which you may already have downloaded on your phone. And I'll show you also how to do it on the YouTube Studio app. If you do not have this app and you have a channel, you really need it. It's very helpful. Now this is how I add my timestamps. I will just go to my channel right here and click that little arrow right there, and it'll bring us to the description. Now you can also put your timestamps in your comments and pin it, so that way everybody that looks at the comments can see that. I personally like doing it in the descriptions. So you will have to have at least 3 timestamps in order to create chapters. You will always start off at 0:00. So I put that down as the intro, and then I have my supplies at a different time and assembly at a different time. But you will need to start off at 0 in order for you to create chapters. Now let me show you really quick how to find what time you need. Let's say I go to my video and I want to start off a chapter at 54 seconds. So I will type in 0:54, and YouTube will automatically catch that and will let the viewer go to 54 seconds in my video. Now this is how you do it on the YouTube app. This is what the YouTube app looks like in the Play Store, so if you need to download it, there it is. And I will open up my YouTube, and while we're here, I'm going to talk about Roberto Blake. He has a lot of information. I'll talk about him later. So go in the upper right, click on the icon, click on your icon that is, and then it'll bring this up. Click on your channel, and then from there, it will show us our channel, obviously. And then on the upper leftmost part, go to videos, and then select the video you want to edit. Click those 3 dots, and it'll bring up some options for you. You're going to click on edit at the bottom there, and you'll be able to edit your video. Now you're going to click on descriptions right there, or description, and it'll bring it to where you can edit your description. I already put in my numbers here, but you can edit whatever you want, and then click back on the upper left, and it'll bring us back over here. And now to save it, upper right button, click save. And there you go. Yeah, you did it. That's how you do it on the YouTube app. Now we're going to do it on the YouTube Studio app. And this is what the app looks like if you're going to search for it. And now what we'll do, we'll bring up the YouTube Studio, click on the 3 dots on the video we want to edit, and it's pretty much the same process. You go down to edit video and click that, and it'll bring you to an option to edit your video. And again, the process is just the same. Click on description, and you can edit your description, you can edit your tags. For the process of this example, we are doing timestamps, so we mess with that. We head back with the back arrow, upper right for the save button, click that, and you saved it. So as you can see, it's a lot easier on the YouTube Studio app. Good for you. You learned something. Guess what? So did I. I just found this out a few days ago. So anyway, back to Roberto Blake. There's a good chance you already know about him, especially if you just created your YouTube channel. I just wanted to say he had a lot of information out there, and he did ask this question about what we would like to learn about, and I'm like, technical stuff. Which technical information specifically? Roberto Blake asks me. I'm like, I don't know, all of them? So I might have screwed up my chance to talk to him, but that's okay. You know, I'm fine, I'm cool, I'm good. And so I just wanted to tell you, you know, check out Roberto Blake if you haven't. I know you put a lot of work into your videos. Trust me, I know. I spend way too much time editing and recording and doing all that, but chapters do help. And, you know, some people are worried, well, people are just going to come in and see something they want and leave, and I'm not going to get my views. I understand that. There's a good chance that's true.
YouTube.
Because trust me, I understand. I've had to go through and edit this video 100 different times because apparently I stutter real bad.
Did I stutter?
At least when I'm trying to record, I stutter real bad, so I understand. But here's my opinion, just me personally. I would rather have someone watch 2 minutes of my video, you know, and maybe they don't watch the full 10 minutes, for instance. But at least it's 2 minutes, and if I can make a positive impact, if I can make them laugh, if I can give them some good tips that I wish I had earlier, you know, it makes me happy. That's my goal. So I do want to thank you, by the way, for watching my video, my humble little video. I'd greatly appreciate a like and a comment. Please let me know what information you have that you would love to share with everybody. I love to hear something new, some tips on how to do this. I'm new too. So thanks so much for watching my video. Good luck to you. Have a good day. Bye.